Hi, Fun Fit Foodies. I want to share with you my apron collection. I got the Wonder Woman. What happens in my kitchen stays in my kitchen. I don't need a recipe. I'm Italian. Warning, I have hot spices and I know how to use them. Look how fun. I like this one, misbehaving. Because sometimes you got to get a little ruthless in the kitchen. Oh, I love this one. This one says, hello, my name is Sweet Cheeks. So cooking made fun. This is part of my apron collection. I use a lot of these aprons in my book, which is the Fun Fit Foodie cookbook. If you guys have it, let me know. Too hot to handle. Woo! Okay, I make stuff up. Yeah, it's true because I make up a lot of my recipes. I rarely use measuring cups. I guess that's the Italian way. And another one, homage to my heritage. God bless you. Keep cooking.